So, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, today ay magluluto tayo ng tofu. Ayan, ini-slice ko na siya into cubes at lalagyan lang natin ng itlog. So, yan, ganyan lang kasimple yung ating luluting spring onion at saka yan, yung white part ng spring onion. So, ay. Strainer ko siya guys kasi siyang matulik. Natin yung white part mo. Ganyan na siya guys, ating egg with tofu. Thank you for watching guys. God bless. See you for my next video. Bye!